Good morning children. Welcome back to the world of learning. Today we are going to learn already in previous videos. You seen now? So what are the video? What are the topic we are discussing now? Yeah, about the food story. What is the lesson name? About the food story. Once we will write the lesson name first. Okay? The food story. Okay, the food story. So in this topic already we touched the uses of food. Okay, next sources of food, plant sources, animal sources, and in previous video we have discussed the topic cooking. Okay, so do you know the uses of cooking, children? What purpose we are cooking food? Yeah, when we cook the food, it is giving tasty to the food. Okay, that is one use. And the second one is, what is that? It is easily digestible. So when we cook the food, it is softer no, when it's boiling. So it is softer no, so it is easily digestible. And moreover, one more use is, it is killing the germs. So what are the germs are present in the food? Those are causing diseases to us, no? So that is why when we cook the food, automatically the germs are killing. So these are the three uses of cooking, children. Once again listen. So when we cook the food, it is giving taste to the food. Second one is, it is easily digestible. Okay. Third one is, it is killing germs. Okay, so those are the uses of cooking, children. Now we are going to learn about the raw food and cooked food. So what is the topic we are discussing now? About the raw and cooked food. Okay, raw and cooked food. Raw and cooked food. Do you know meaning of raw, children? Yeah, without cooking. So raw means without cooking. Without cooking. Okay, so without cooking. You are eating food items without cooking. Do you know what are that? Yeah, very good. Some fruits, some kinds of vegetables. Okay, next nuts, seeds, and again sprouts, grains. Okay, so sprouted grains, those are the very good food, children. Okay, contains more proteins, so you need more proteins, so that is why you prefer such kind of food items in your breakfast. Okay, so come to the lesson. What is meant by raw? Raw means without cooking. So what are the food items you are cooking? Without cooking you are eating, like fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, sprouted grains. Okay, so these are the foods we are eating without cooking. And you know, cooked food. Okay, for example, you take potato, children. Yeah, do you eat potato raw? No. Why? Because it is not suitable. When we eat, it tastes also not good, children. Okay, so that is why we want to cook the food. So most of the food items are there. Some we can eat in raw and some we are eating by cooking. Okay, so do you know difference between the raw and cooked? What are the uses of raw food? For example, so when you take the raw food, no, so sometimes when you are cooking, so what happen, no, so we are giving some heat to the food. Okay, so when we are heating, so nutrients are present in the food, children. Okay, so when you heat the food, sometimes we may lose the nutrients. Okay, but when we eat the raw food, what happened, no? So without cooking we are eating, no, the nutrients cannot last. Okay, so that is the use. Okay, so nutritious food, when we take the raw foods, we are not losing the nutrients in that food, then automatically that is more, healthy. So when you take the raw food, no, then that is compared to the cooked food, it is healthy. But we are not depending on totally on the raw food. Why? Because no, some cooked food also contain nutrients? No. So some are while cooking only the nutrients will get. Okay, so that is why, so it is good for health. Raw food is good for health. But compared to the cooked food, raw food is good for health. But we are not eating all the food items but raw. So that is why, so for health conscious, for health issue, okay, we are taking the raw food. Okay, but we prefer the both food items, children. Either raw food or cooked food. We are taking the all kinds of food. We are fit and healthy. We are not depending on totally on the raw food, children. Okay, so it is good for health and cooked food also. So when you take the raw food and cooked food, that is good to the health. Once we will read that topic, children. Okay, so when you are watching the video, what are the required materials do you want? Then keep aside. Okay, for example, you take the textbook, take the pencil. Okay, watch the video. When I am reading the lesson, you also open the page number 20. Okay, so open the particular page number. When I am reading, you also keep your finger in the textbook and listen carefully. Okay, then you know how to read. Okay, children, come on. So already we discussed the raw and cooked food. So what is given in the textbook? Once I will read. Okay, come on. R-A-W, raw. What is the pronunciation of raw? R-A-W. What is the spelling of raw? R-A-W. So raw and cooked food. Food can be eaten either raw or cooked. Some fruits and vegetables are eaten raw, while some are cooked. Already I given the examples of raw foods, no? So what are that? Fruits, vegetables and nuts, seeds, sprouted grains. Okay, so all the seeds, they are collecting the seeds and they can, you know, how the sprouts will prepare now. Then we are taking the seeds, okay, soaked in the water. Okay, either pulses or grams, anything. Okay, so you can keep it in the water, soak in the water, and next we can remove from the water, and then we can put the seeds in the wet cloth. Okay, so after 1 or 2 days, when you observe that small plants like small sprouts are coming from that, no? So that is good for health, children. Better to prefer that. Okay. So sprouted grains, those are the examples for raw food. Okay, cooked food, you know it. So every day we are eating the many kinds of items, no? Pulses, rice, potatoes. So those are all examples for cooked food. This is about the raw and cooked food, children. Okay. Next we will go to the next topic. What is that? Listen. Yeah. Utensils used for cooking. How you are preparing the food? By using some kinds of utensils, no? Without utensils, how we can prepare the food, children? No, is it possible? No, impossible. Okay, so we are using different kinds of utensils in our kitchen. Okay, in our cooking process. Sometimes you go to your kitchen and ask your mother, so what are the utensils mom is using? Okay, and once you go to the kitchen and ask your mother, she will say, okay, what purpose particular utensils is using for different things purpose. Okay, so what is that? What is the use of that particular utensils? Once you ask your mother, she will explain. Okay, showing the utensils, and she will say she is what purpose she is using that. She will explain to you. Okay, so before that I am also explaining now. Okay, come on, listen. Utensils used for cooking. Food is cooked in different kinds of utensils. Okay, so different food items daily we are preparing, no, children. So we are using the different kinds of utensils. What are that? Listen now. In earlier times, in the olden days, utensils were made of clay or sand. Okay, you may see in the movies. Okay, so when you observe that, then they are using the different kinds of utensils made of clay and mud, sand. Okay, but nowadays we are using that? No, we are not using, because technology is developed. We are inventing the new minerals. Okay, so new items we are preparing and we are using for the making of utensils. Okay, listen now. But in the earlier days, ask your granny, ask your grandmother, and you know pot, POT pot. Okay, so how it is made? It is made up of clay only. Okay, so like that, small utensils also made up of clay and sand. Once you ask your grandmother, she will explain. Okay, so remember it in the earlier days. In the olden days, most of the people are using for preparing the utensils purpose. They was used the clay and sand. Now listen, nowadays we get different kinds of utensils made of materials like steel and aluminium. Okay, so iron, aluminium. Okay, so these are used for preparing the utensils, children. Okay, so once you see while drinking glass, no, drinking purpose you are using the glass, no. So once you observe it, it is the steel glass. Okay, mom is preparing rice. Okay, curries in one bowl. Okay, that is made up of aluminium, like a silver. It is it is like a silver, but it is aluminium. Okay, so steel, aluminium, most of our utensils are made up of steel and aluminium, children. Okay, once go to the kitchen and ask your mother, show me, mom, once show me the steel glass, and she will show that. Okay, steel glass. While drinking water, we are using it, steel glass. Okay, and steel plates. You are eating the food in the plates, no? So, steel plate. Okay, glass. It is made up of steel. Okay, next listen. So, what is that? Earlier used clay or sand. Nowadays, we are using the steel and aluminium. Keep these 2 points in the mind, children. Okay, so in the olden days, the utensils are made up of sand and clay. Nowadays, the utensils are made up of by using the 2 materials. What are that? Steel and aluminium. Okay, so that is about the how the utensils are made. Okay, next coming to the what are the different types of utensils. Okay, once listen. First one we are discussing about tawa. Okay, so what is that? T-A-W-A, tawa. Okay, then what purpose this tawa is useful? This tawa is also called griddle. G-R-I-D-D-L-E. Okay, this tawa or griddle, what purpose it is useful? Listen. A tawa or griddle is used to make rotis or dosas. Okay, so how the tawa is? So like this. Okay, you are very familiar with this because you love to eat the rotis, chapatis. Okay, chapatis and dosas. Okay, so when your mother is preparing that, you go to the kitchen and observe. That is called tawa, children. Okay, so tawa is only used for to making the rotis and what purpose? Yeah, delicious dosas purpose it is useful. Okay, second utensil is kadai. K-A-D-H-A-I. Okay, kadai. So it is used for deep frying food items like pakoras. Okay, we love to eat these deep fried food items, no children? Pakoras, we love to eat that. Chips. Okay, so those are French fries. So these are deep frying food items, children. Okay, we love to eat, but you know one thing, children, it is not good for health. Okay, deep frying means what happened, what are the nutrients are present in that, they may lost. So that is why better to don't prefer the deep fried items. Okay, so listen. So kadai is useful for to deep frying items. Deep frying food items purpose we are using the kadai. Next listen. Frying pan. Frying pan. Pan. So what purpose this frying pan is useful? Listen. A frying pan is also used for in that only frying purpose. So fried. Okay, lazy finger fry, potato fry. Okay, so what purpose? in which kind of utensils we are using fries? Frying pan. So this is about the frying pan, children. So once you see that, so when you are observing the kadai, it is somewhat deep. Okay, because deep frying purpose, we are using the more oil, no? So that is why we are using this kadai for deep frying items. So tawa. So for those just little sprinkling the oil on that. Okay, we are not using the more oil for the rotis or dosas. Okay, so only using the tawa. It is not a deep. Okay, just like the surface. Okay, so next listen, frying pan. Compared to the tawa, this frying pan is somewhat deep. Okay, these are the three differences between the tawa, kadai and then frying pan. Okay, next fourth one is a pressure cooker. Pressure cooker. Okay, pressure cooker. Okay, listen about the pressure cooker. A pressure cooker is used for steaming food. So what purpose it is using? Steaming foods. Okay, so listen children. So when we take these three kinds of utensils now, so maybe while cooking, heating, we want to give the heat to the food items now. So you are not keeping any lid on that, then automatically the nutrients may lose. But when you take the pressure cooker now, so many uses are there by using the pressure cooker, children. So in this steaming method, so what you do now, for example, mother is preparing the dal. So she used to using to boil the dal purpose, she is using the pressure cooker. So compared to the ordinary utensils, in pressure cooker, the dal boils very fast. Okay, why? Because we are just covering that, and we can keep the whistle also on that, no children. Okay, why? Because, so what are the steam? What is steam? Nothing but the water vapor. Do you know? So when we heat the water changes into the water vapor. Okay, so that have some pressure. Water vapors have exert some pressure. Okay, so when we heat that water, so mother is using the dal. She put first that she is washing that, and she can put in the water, pressure cooker. Okay, adding some water to that, glass of water to the dal. Okay, so when we cover the cooker, what happened? So when we give the heat to that, okay, so the water changes into the water vapor. So the water vapor, with the help of that water vapor, then automatically there is cooking very fastly. The heat is not goes anywhere in that only, because we are just closing the cooker with the lid. Okay, so that is why we cannot lose the nutrients too. Okay, three uses are there. Fastly cooking. Second one is we are not losing the nutrients. And one more thing, you know children, we are saving our gas also. Okay, so nearly 10-15 minutes for boiling of dal purpose. But when you use the ordinary, no, it takes nearly half an hour time. Okay, once you ask your mother, so mom, how you are boiling the dal? In the pressure cooker or an ordinary utensils? Once you ask your mother, she will say, okay, so I am using pressure cooker. Why? Because you know what is the reason? Less time the dal will be cooked, and second reason is nutrients are not lost in, and the third use is we can save the fuel. What is that? Gas. We can save the gas also. Okay, and good for health. While cooking the food in the pressure cooker, it is good too. Okay, steaming method no, and it is good for health also. So these are the types of utensils, children. Okay, so along with these utensils, we are using some kinds of materials in things in our kitchen. So what are that now? One is rolling pin. Okay, R-O-L-L-I-N-G, rolling pin. Do you know this? Yeah. Rotis preparing purpose, mom using, no. That is rolling pin. Okay. Second one is spatula. S-P-A-T-U-L-A, spatula. Okay, so spatulas are many types, children. Okay, we are using different spatulas in our kitchen. For example, mother preparing, serving purpose, she is using the rice serving purpose, one kind of spatula. Okay, so pouring dal purpose, she is using the one kind of. So different spatulas are there. Together we call spatulas. Serving purpose, we are using some kinds of spoons and no. So those are called spatulas. They are in different kinds of shapes, children. Okay, so those are called spatulas. Next listen, serving spoon. Serving spoon. Next one is knife. Without this, how we can cut the vegetables? So this is the one of the most important thing in our kitchen, no children? Okay, so along with these 4 utensils, we have some kinds of things we can use in our kitchen. What are that? Rolling pin, spatula, serving spoon and knife. Again some are there, children. What is that now? Yeah, technology improved. We are using the many appliances. Okay, many appliances in our kitchen. So what are that? Toaster. Toaster. T-O-A-S-T-E-R. Toaster. Next one. Microwave. Oven. Microwave oven. Okay. Next. Mixer grinder. Mixer grinder. Mixer grinder. Next are some electrical appliances. Do you know meaning of appliances, children? Yeah, it's kind of machines. Okay, machines using in our kitchen. Machine of electrical appliances means what, children? By using electricity, they can run. Okay, by using electricity, electrical appliances. Okay, so tell me some examples of electrical appliances used in our kitchen. So those are toaster, bread toasting purpose we are using now. Toaster, microwave oven. Okay, what purpose it is useful? Okay, so we can prepare the cakes in that, fried items in that without using oil. No, a little bit of oil enough to microwave. Okay, next mixer grinder. Nowadays without this no house is there, I think so, because early morning we need the breakfast. So without mixer and grinder, how we can prepare our delicious idlis, dosas, children? Okay, vadas, everything purpose we need a mixer grinder. Okay, so many varieties of mixer grinders are available in the shops. Okay, so these are called electrical appliances. What is the spelling of appliances, children? A-P-P, 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 L-I-A-N CES, appliances. Nothing but what is the meaning of appliances? Machines. M-A-C-H-I-N-E-S. Electrical appliances means the machines which are run by electricity, by using electricity. Okay. Then, do you know one more example? Yeah, refrigerator. So without that, there is no kitchen, I think so. Okay. Mother is preparing all the things and she is preserving in the refrigerator. Okay. So these are called electrical appliances. Okay. So this is about the types of utensils used for cooking. Once again, I will revise it. Listen carefully, children. So without any utensils, we can't prepare our food items. Okay. So for cooking food items purpose, we need many kinds of utensils. Okay. So in the olden days, it is made up, the utensils are made up of using sand and clay. Okay. But nowadays, it is made up of by using the materials like steel and aluminium. Okay, children. Next, we have different kinds of utensils used in our kitchen. So what are that? First one is tawa. Second one is kadai. Third one is frying pan. Fourth one is pressure cooker. Okay, now we will see the what purpose these things are useful. Tawa is also called griddle. Then what purpose this tawa is useful? Preparing the dosas and rotis purpose. Next, kadai. Deep fried food items like pakoras, chips, vadas, puris. Okay, that purpose we are using the kadai. Next thing is frying pan. Frying pan, frying items like chicken fry, okay, egg fry, lazy finger fry, potato fries, french fries, we can do in this frying pan. Okay, Next, pressure cooker. So, using pressure cooker, so steaming method. What is the method included in the pressure cooker? By steaming method. Okay, so in steaming method, when you cook the food, it is good for health because we are not losing the nutrients. Okay, saving our time, saving our gas. So this is a use of pressure cooker. So along with this, we are using some kinds of things in our kitchen. Those are rolling pin, making chapatis, puris purpose, using spatula, different kinds of spoons, spatulas and serving spoons, knife. So these are the things present in a kitchen. Okay, next some are run by electricity, electrical appliances. So those are toaster, microwave, mixer, grinder. Okay, so these are the electrical appliances, microwave oven. So these are the electrical appliances. Okay, so this is about what are the things we are using in a kitchen. Okay, next for knowing is fun. So listen children. So here one paragraph is given. Okay, that is important thing. Okay, so what is that? Listen. World Health Day. World Health Day is organized every year on 7th April. Okay, so listen the day. Remember it. 7th April. When you are celebrating, what is the speciality of that 7th April? It is the World Health Day. World Health Day is organized on 7th April. Okay, listen, what is the speciality of that day, children? On this day, different awareness campaigns are organized across the world about various diseases. Okay, so listen now. So, what is the speciality of 7th April? World Health Day. World Health Day. Then what is that? Why they are organizing the campaigns, everything, organizations are arranging this. Why? Because they are giving awareness to the people. So what are the diseases are? Every year different kinds of diseases are coming to us. Okay children, this year already you know that. What is that? About corona. Now we are suffering a lot with this disease, no children. So on this day, particular 7th April, so many organizations are they are conducting the seminars and they are giving the awareness about particular disease. Okay, mostly because of this 7th April, So because of this, we are eradicated the malaria, pulse, polio. Okay, so now no one is suffering with this, because of what? Awareness programs are conducted by these kinds of organizations. Okay, so they are gathering the people and what are the precautions. So if it come, what are the precautions we should take before? So everything they are saying in this. Okay, so what is the speciality of 7th April, children? Don't forget it. Okay, remember it. So 7th April is the World Health Day. Okay, so World Health Day is on 7th April. Okay, so this is the topic, children. So what we discuss in this topic about the utensils, Okay, so utensils, raw and cooked foods. Raw and cooked foods, about different kinds of utensils. Okay, we discussed. Okay, so this is about the today's topic, children. Watch the video carefully. Okay, watch the video carefully. And along with this video, we are sending the homework, children. Okay, before we are not giving So along this video, we are sending the homework. So just see the homework, watch the video first, see the homework, write it. Okay, so that is about this topic, children. So what we discuss once again, see which page number? Page number 19 about cooking, and page number 20 about raw and cooked foods, and page number 20 we discussed about the utensils used for cooking, and page number 21 about pressure cooker we discussed, and knowing is fun. Okay, remember the dates. Okay children, this is about today's topic. Watch the video carefully, answer the questions what we are sending, do the homework and send to your class WhatsApp group, children. Okay, till then, bye, take care of you.